What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. In this video, I am going to be revealing the exact strategy that I have been using for the past couple of years to make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from meme coins without ever trading a single coin. And the way I do it is genuinely super simple. I find something trending, I create a coin around it, I launch it, and then I cash out when everyone buys in. That is the whole process. No trading and nothing stressful, nothing to risk. Most people in this space are losing a bunch of money because they are trading these coins and they're losing money. But us devs, we are printing so much money because all we do is we launch and repeat and we have nothing to lose. Today I am showing you the complete method live on camera for free. I will show you how to find a narrative and then how to create a meme coin all right now live. And guys, look at my Phantom wallet. All this crypto in my wallet came from launching meme coins on Solana. I am not here to sell you a course or to waste your time, okay? I'm here to show you my entire strategy on how I launch my meme coins and how I get hundreds of buyers all right now. Now here's exactly why I decided to start creating meme coins and I completely dropped trading. And what I'm about to tell you is going to completely change how you look at meme coins. You guys need to realize that most meme coins are straight scams, okay? Most of the time when they are created and actually launched, well, they end up going to zero. This happens in around 95% of all meme coins, okay? It will eventually go to zero when the hype fades down and people will start selling the coin. Well, the coin is going to go down and the dev is going to dump on you. And that's exactly why I stay away from trading, because you have no clue if the coin is going to pump or dump on you. So that's why creating coins is far more profitable, because you are risking nothing. If no one buys your coin, well, you can just move on to the next coin and you can do that over and over again. And even if you make like $100 per coin, that is still money to be made, okay? And it can compound over multiple coin launches. And that's why in this video I will show you how to create coins that actually gets buyers and goes viral most of the time. I will show you how to find narratives and then how to launch a coin. I will do a live launch to show you how it's done. Like that you can see how much I make from each launch so that you can do it for yourself too. Anyways, let's go. And by the way, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Make sure to do your own research. Yes, I do make money from deving. Yes, bro, I am legit. But I am not a financial advisor. Everything is for educational purposes only. Cap. Now, to create a meme coin, okay, you have a couple different options. Some people like to make their coins on Pump.Fun. But Pump.Fun for me does not work because when I launch a meme coin here, no one buys my coins, okay? There is so many coins being launched on Pump.Fun every single second that most of these coins go nowhere. No one buys them, no one sees them, and that's exactly why launching coins on Pump.Fun is a waste of time. So instead, bro, I launch my coins on Raydium, okay? Most coins on Raydium absolutely explodes, they get volume, and that is what counts. By launching your coins on Raydium, bro, you are just gonna get way more results. Now look, to launch a meme coin on Raydium, you need to be using a launchpad called launchmemes.io. It's one of the best launchpads for Raydium. That's why people use it. By launching your coins here, your coins are going to go to Raydium. That's why we use it. Now, the process of creating a meme coin here is way easier than Pump.Fun, or basically it's the same. You guys will see, basically you can create your coin from scratch. So if you have any narrative in mind, it could be anything like news, it could be a project, a community, just anything you have in mind, bro, a meme, you can make it here. Okay, just put the name, simple image, and then your coin is live, right? Or you can actually copy trending coins, right? So this right here is my favorite strategy. I am basically using this strategy every single day to print. Now basically every single meme coin here on this list, on this page, is going viral on Pump.Fun, which means they all have good narratives. They're all trending right now on Pump.Fun, not Raydium, but Pump.Fun. So basically we are going to be copying one of these coins back to Raydium instead to get a bunch of buyers using that narrative for ourselves. That's why it's so insane, bro. It's just like vamping. Let me show you how with a live launch. Now let's stop yapping and let's try to make some money. So first of all, connect your Phantom wallet, and now let's copy a coin. Let's see how much I can make right now. Take your notes out or just watch. So click on refresh. Okay, and now you have all the fresh coins. Go for one, copy it and try it out. Okay, do not copy the same coin twice. but you know, they're all good. Just copy a coin, choose it randomly. I'm gonna go for this one. Click on copy the Raydium, right? Ignore that warning. This is normal for all launchpads, okay? Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin is going to be on the blockchain. Just wait a couple seconds. You guys will see what I mean. Boom, click on view on Solana if you want to, and here is the proof it's on chain. Okay, now let's create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create the supply, like that our coin can skip the bonding curve and go to Raydium, reaching thousands of people. That's why we use this launchpad. Now for the coins, click on 90%. Do that for every single launch. For the amount of SOL to pair, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. Anywhere in between that is perfect. You are not going to lose anything, bro. You're just putting 0.3 SOL, right, for some supply. Like that, when the coin pumps, you can sell that supply for even more and make a profit. That is the whole point. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin should be live, right? Boom, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, you have your PNL, it's live, the coin is now created. Let's go see the chart. So go on Photon if you want to, go anywhere you want, and go find your Memecoin. And as you guys can see, it's already pumping. People are buying in. We're up like a lot of money. 80 bucks, $61. Things are looking good. Now all you have to do is let your coin pump. Do not cash out. Let the coin pump first. Let it marinate, right? So if you come back to launch memes and you click on refresh, you can see our profits. We're now up 260 bucks because people are buying our coin. That is why we love diving, bro. We have nothing to lose. Even if it goes back down here, well, we lost nothing, right? We made $0 basically. But let's hope for the coin to pump. And yeah, so I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, bro, our coin is so strong. So many people are buying in, and that's because we launched on Raydium, bro. I told you guys, it's actually insane, bro. It's so gatekept. Anyways, come back to launch memes, click on refresh. I hope we're up a lot. We're up 2.7k, guys. That is why we love deving, bro. But yeah, this is unrealized. Let's cash this out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out of the meme coin. Bang! That's exactly how you make money from deving, bro. And look in my Phantom wallet, the payout should be there. Boom, it's there. $2,94000 in our Phantom wallet, bro. And yes, the 0.3 SOL is included, bro. We got that back. Launchmemes.io will be linked down below, bro. Just stay consistent, never give up, okay? Even if you make more or less than me, just stay consistent. And yeah,